The more complete the despotism, the more smoothly all things move on the surface. The God of justice is with us, and our word, our work, our prayer for freedom cannot be in vain. Words cannot describe the indignation a proud woman feels for her sex in disfranchisement. Women of all classes are awakening to the necessity of self-support, but few are willing to do the ordinary useful work for which they are fitted. The best protection any woman can have is courage. Self-development is a higher duty than self-sacrifice. The religious superstitions of women perpetuate their bondage more than all other adverse influences. The heyday of woman's life is the shady side of 50. I shall not grow conservative with age. The history of the past is but one long struggle upward to equality. The right is ours, have it we must, use it we will. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men and women are created equal. Come, my conservative friend, wipe the dew off your spectacles and see that the world is moving.